What's up, guys? This is Dinero Chaser coming at you with a little video. In this video, I'm going to show you how I've been executing this new strategy of mine with the month-out credit spreads. So right here is the most recent position I took on Intel, and the reason I finally entered it was because due to its earnings that just happened, Intel dropped within the last day basically 5.3%. So with earnings, it went from 56 all the way to 52.84. And with that in mind, I believe Intel can only be going up. So with that, I decided to take a put credit spread position on this, expiring August 27th. And doing this, let's go into it. So like I said, when entering a position, after a big beat down or pull up, you want to play very safe and give yourself time for theta to work in your favor. So like I said, because this position got beat down, I did a put credit spread, and I believe by August 27th, Intel will not fall below $50. So what I did was I bought the $50 put and sold the $51 put. So when I entered this trade, let's see. So like I said, I bought $50 put, sold the $51, and it's currently at $28 value. And if you saw, I was already up $3. So that means what I collected entering this position was a total of $32. And if you look down here, oh, well, what do you know? I did the math wrong. I collected $31 with a premium, and now the valuation is $28, $3 gain. So after that, once I get up to either 20 or 30% profit, cashing out and looking for the next position. I hope this cleared up any questions that you may have doing this strategy. Comment down below. I am willing to help with whatever you guys have, but I hope this video helped clarify things. Let me know how you guys are doing on your trading with this bull market in full force, and I'll catch you next time.